Namaste everybody. I'm Neha Rathi. Welcome to my channel, Empower with Neha. Today, we're going to practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam. It is also called as alternate nostril breathing. Alternating the breath through both your nostril. When you breathe in through your right nostril, the left side of your brain is being activated. When you breathe in through your left, the right is being activated. Anulom Vilom is one of the most calming and the balancing breath. Balancing your mind, body and your emotions. This is the pranayam which a beginner can begin, and you can do it in the morning if you want to start the day with a clear focus, clarity in your thoughts and calmness. Or you can end your day to release the tension, physical tiredness from the body. Let's begin the practice. Chanting Om 3 times, bringing your hands to the heart center. Take a nice deep inhale. Okay, now let's begin the pranayam. For the pranayam, we use the right hand for the mudra. It's called as the Vishnu mudra, where you use your thumb, you bend your index finger and the middle finger, and you use your ring finger to close your left nostril. Right nostril with your thumb, left nostril with your ring finger. You can keep your index finger and the middle finger bent, or you can keep it center of your forehead. The other hand, it can be in the Gyan Mudra, that is bringing your index finger and the thumb together. Let me explain one complete cycle of Anulom Vilom. So we always start from the left nostril. So breathing in through the left nostril, exhaling through the right, inhaling again through the right, and exhale out through the left. Closing your right with your thumb, breathe in through the left, close your left, exhale out through your right, inhale right, close your right and exhale left. So this is one complete cycle. And now let's practice together. Let's begin the practice together for 4 counts of inhale and 4 counts of exhalation. Starting from your left nostril, the Chandranati. Exhale out completely. You can keep your eyes closed or you can keep it open. Inhaling through the left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 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 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Letting your breath come back to its natural rhythm. And now either you can continue the 4 counts of inhale and 4 counts of exhalation, or you can continue with me with 4 counts of inhalation and 6 counts of exhalation. Let's begin again together. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And release. Good. And now, letting your breath come back to its natural rhythm. Either you continue with 4 and 6, or you can continue with me with 6 and 6. So it's 6 count of inhale and 6 count of exhalation. Let's practice together. Closing your right nostril. Okay, let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And release. Okay, now either you can continue your meditation practice or you can continue the same pranayam for a bit longer. Take a moment to notice how you feel. How does your mind and your body feel after Anulom Vilom? Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.